Hello my friends and welcome back. In this section we'll learn about the fragments in Android. Imagine you are building a house with Lego bricks. Each Lego brick is a small piece of your house, like a room or a part of room. Fragments in Android are a bit like these Lego bricks for building your application. A fragment represents a reusable portion of your app's user interface. A fragment defines and manages its own layout, has its own lifecycle, and can handle its own input events. Fragments can't live on their own. They must be hosted by an activity or another fragment. Fragments are used to create a part of the user interface that can be combined with other fragments to build a complete user experience. They are particularly valuable for developing apps that need to work on various screen sizes, orientations, and devices. For example, we have two devices here: the tablet with a large screen and the small screen for the mobile. Let's start with the mobile. Many apps have button navigation bar like this. Buttons. So any click on these buttons will lead to change this display. This is a fragment and this is the button. When the user click on any of these buttons, the view or the fragment would be changed. And this is a very good example of using the fragments in Android mobile applications. For the large screen, we have this activity or this part. This is called Activity Navigation UI. And we have this part in green that it is the fragment UI. So when the user click on any of these buttons or any of these destinations, the fragment UI here will be changed. So this is called the modular user interface. Fragments allow you to break your app's user interface into smaller, reusable modules. Each fragment represents a specific part of the UI, such as a screen or a portion of a screen. And the fragments are especially important for creating responsive applications. They allow you to adapt your UI to various screen sizes, orientations, and different devices. Also, you can combine multiple fragments within a single activity to create complex user interfaces. For example, on the tablet, you have two fragments side by side. This is the first fragment and this is the second fragment, providing a multi-pane layout, whereas on phone, you may stack them vertically or like this, in this case, a single pane layout.